Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Very good morning to all of you. And I request everyone to sit with their camera on in the class. Very good morning to all of you. Just a minute. Yes. So I'm going to present my screen.
Okay, ma'am.
I have sent the revision in the classroom on Friday, as well as I have done the revision in the class
Okay,
on
ma'am.
Friday. And today also I will
Okay,
do
ma'am.
some part of the revision. You need to give me the answers. No child will speak the answers in between. I will call your name. Then, if your name being called, then only you will give the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. First, Arnav Desai.
Ma'am, answer is double.
You will write 2. It is asking times, no? So, the
Yes.
diameter of a circle is 2 times its diameter.
Two.
You cannot say double times. You
Two
will say
times.
2 times its radius. Yes. Next, Kush Desai. Second.
Yes, ma'am. The second one, no.
Yes.
The diameter of the circle is the diameter of a circle is the dash chord of the circle.
So, what is the answer? Kush, give me the answer, bacha.
Ma'am, the answer is
Can I move to the next child?
ma'am. The answer is the longest chord.
Yes, longest or the biggest chord. And please give the answers, because when I present the screen, I am not able to see you all. Next, Meet Prohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the third one.
The diameter of circle pass through. The diameter of a circle pass through.
Pass through where? The diameter of a circle pass through. It passes through from where?
From
कहाँ
the
से pass
center.
होती है? Yes, from the
Center.
center.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, in the revision you have sent a question line joining 2 points of a circle is called. I'm not getting that.
A line joining 2 points of a circle is called what?
Yes.
What it is? Tell me, no, it's what? A line segment joining two endpoints of the circle is called what? Is a diameter or is a chord?
Ma'am, diameter.
No, it will be a chord, because they are saying only end joining two endpoints. They are not saying a line segment passes through the center and joining two endpoints. Diameter has two characteristics. Chord has one characteristic, which is that the two endpoints are on the circle. Then it is a chord. Just a minute, students.
Ma'am, when is the series of and wheels?
First, you, because you have not joined on time, so you are not aware what are we doing, and you want the teachers to repeat on everything again and again. You can come at any time. Yes, no? Where is that Mir Irani? Where is he? Yes. He has not joined on time and he is not aware what are we doing. He just only want to know, ma'am, where is the CT? Am I right, Mir Virani? Yes. So please join on time. That should, you should be aware what are we doing and when we will get the CET. Got it? When I started the class, we were only 15. And now we can see that we are 21. Stable your camera, Varina Varija. Next is Ahana. Ahana, read the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, today is the city, no?
Yes, my dear, today is the CET. But after this. Yes, Ahana, please.
Yes, ma'am. A chord of a circle is a line segment with its end point on
Mute yourself and then when you get the answer, then turn on and give. A chord of a circle is a line segment with its endpoints on the dash. A chord के endpoints कहाँ पर होते हैं? I will move to the next child. Kavisha. A chord of a circle is a line segment with its endpoints on the.
Ma'am, on the boundary.
Ma'am, you are stuck. Ma'am, you are
Sorry, students, due to network issue, I log out. Now I am audible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
You
Ma'am, I
know.
also know the answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I read?
No, I will call the child name. That child will answer me. First, I called the Kavisha's name. Kavisha, can you give me?
Yes, ma'am. Boundary, ma'am.
Yeah, it is called boundary, it is called edge, it is called circumference also. Okay? So, boundary, circumference, edge, all the answers are correct. Next, Priyag, read the fifth one.
If we join any 2 points on a circle by a line segment, what's that, ma'am? After
We join and we obtain.
we
Obtain means what we
obtain.
get.
If we join any 2 points on a circle by a line segment, uh, ma'am, diameter.
But diameter passes through the center. They are not saying the center word here.
Then it's chord.
Yes, it will be chord. Next is Dheer Patel. Read the sixth one.
Yes, ma'am. A radius of a circle is a line segment with one end at the dash and the other end at the center and the other at the circumference or the boundary.
Very good. Next is Heer Patel.
Yes.
Heer Patel, please read the seventh one.
The diameter of a circle passes through the length of circle. Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Only Heer will give me the answer.
Ma'am, I am only giving.
What the answer Heer?
Center of a circle.
Okay, very good. Varinya, eighth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the eighth one. Radius equals to dash
Ma'am,
divided by 2.
radius equals to
Dash divided by 2.
Diameter divided by 2.
Yes. Varija, ninth one.
Diameter is the chord of a circle.
Diameter is the dash chord of a circle.
Half span.
Yes? Diameter is the dash chord of a circle. You all know that diameter is also a chord, but diameter is which
Longest.
chord? Longest or the biggest, you can say. Got it? So you can say longest chord of a circle. Next, Yuk Surana. Dash is a fixed point
Ma'am,
on the circle.
center is a fixed point of a circle. Of the
Yes.
circle.
Yes. And how many centers you can draw in a circle?
Ma'am, 1.
Yes. There will be only one center in the circle. Next is Bhakti.
The
Radii of a circle are dash. Radii means there are more than one radii, one radius. When there are more than one radius, it will be a plural. It is called radii. The radii of a circle are. अगर कितने भी रेडियाई हो सर्कल के, वो सब क्या होंगे? Are equal. I'll give you the answer because got the answer everyone. The radii of a circle are equal. सारे radius जो circle के होंगे वो सब radius equal length के होते हैं from the center. Got it everyone? Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Every point on a circle is passed from its. Mir Virani. Every point on a circle is passed from its.
Every point on a circle is passed from its center.
Next is Hit Kasodia. 13. A chord of a circle contains exactly dash points in the circle. Chord of a circle contain exactly chord के कितने points होते हैं?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
It's there written on the 13 number you have to read. Div Patel, give me the 13 answer.
Yes, ma'am. 2 points.
Yes. Because chord is
Ma'am,
having
can
2
I
points.
say?
One is starting. Yes, I will come to you, Rishik. Rishik
Yes.
will give me
Hello,
the
Renu ma'am.
Rishik 14.
Hello, Renu ma'am.
Wait a
Yes,
minute,
ma'am.
Shivani.
A diameter is the dash. A diameter is the longest chord.
Yes. Yes, Mir Virani ask.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, in that it is a chord. So when it is diameter, so it is also 2 only, no?
Yes. End points तो 2 ही होंगे ना on the circle पे. Right? Yes, next is Laisha. Laisha,
Yes, ma'am. So
name all the chords shown in this figure. How many chords are there? First of all, tell me and name them.
2
2. Which?
A, B, and C, D.
Yes. Just a minute. Okay. Hit Kasodia.
Yes.
There is a line segment QR. This QR is what?
Ma'am, radius.
Yes. Kiana, next I will ask from you. Kiana,
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Tell me any two radius in this.
Ma'am, SONRRO.
Don't take SO. From the center you take OS and OR.
Yes, ma'am. OSNOR.
Janya. Janya. She never answer. Mohammad Patel. Navya. Navya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Navya will give me. Navya, which is the smallest chord in this?
D E D E
D, E. And which is the longest chord in this?
A B.
Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
In that in before this there were four radii.
Yeah, radii. But I have asked only two from you. It can come like this also. Name any two. Okay. Next is from Ahana. Ahana, how many diameters are in this?
Ma'am, three diameters.
Three diameters. And the line representing which is EF is what?
Ma'am, it's a diameter.
Yes. Okay, students. So now I'm going to give you the link in the classroom, as well as I'm going to post the link in the chat box.
Ma'am, can you send the link in a chat box?
Both, no, I said I will send in both, in the chat box as well as in the classroom. Mute yourself, someone mic is on. After doing this, please do it turn in. It's compulsory to do turn in also in the classroom. Children, paste it.
Ma'am, we will get the marks in end of the CT.
No, I will check.
After finishing the CT, we have to do mark as done, no?
Yeah, please do mark as done. Paste it in the chat box as well. Please go to the link. Yes,
So,
Devi.
ma'am, we also write the first letter capital. It is okay.
Any form. When I say no, I'm going to check it, then you can write it anyway. Turn on your camera, everyone. I request you all, please. Turn on your camera and sit in the class. Bhakti, Varija, Ahana, Varenya, Dheer, Rishik.
Ma'am, I'm doing the CT. That's why my camera was off.
Okay.
Yes,
What about Varenya, Ahana, Varija, and Rishik?
Even mine was off because I was in the city.
Excuse me, ma'am. There is
Yes,
no
ma'am.
network here, so when I'll do the CET, my camera will be off. I'm doing it on iPad.
Okay.
And when I will open the CT for my laptop, the camera will automatically will get off. Ma'am, in the
Yes,
last
ma'am.
two questions, what we have to do?
Mute yourself. Let me check. Last two questions, you have to draw it in your notebook and click the picture and attach your work. And here you write done in notebook. This is the common instruction for everyone. Last two questions,
Ma'am,
do it in the notebook. No bam in between. Last two questions, common instruction for everyone about the last two questions. Last two questions, do it in your notebook. Attach your work in the classroom. And here, please, in the Google form, write done. Okay? And please attach your notebook work. When you will attach your notebook work, then only it will check in the notebook. Otherwise, it will not be checked. Please do it in the notebook. Attach your work the last two questions because you have to draw the circles.
Ma'am, what we have to do in N1?
Let me
N.
state. N.
Yes.
N is coming in the last two questions, no? N and M. I have
Yes.
already instructed. Sorry now. I have already told, please listen everyone about the last two questions. Last time I'm telling you now, Mir Virani, and to everyone, last two questions, do it in the notebook, attach your notebook work, and here please write done. Got it now, Mir? Okay, yes, Bhakti.
If we do not do the last two questions, then if we click the submit button, then it is not happening.
So write done there. That's the reason I'm telling you, no, write DONE done. You have to write something there in the last two questions, then only it will go to submit.
Ma'am, we want to write the answer given in spelling, yeah, in letters.
Any way, the way you have learned, I'm going to check it. Okay, Rishik, submit it.
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can do two circles in one page. It is okay?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am confused in H1.
No confusion here. Choose the correct relationship. Diameter equals to 2 multiplied by radius. Radius equals to 2 multiplied by diameter, or diameter equals to radius. Which formula is correct here? Got it, Dharna?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done the CT, so can I send the like the last two question we have to draw in the notebook, so I can create a PDF and then send?
Yeah, it's up to you.
Okay, ma'am.
You can send after the class also, no problem. But that I need
Okay,
before I check.
ma'am. So I will
Yes,
create a
Laisha.
PDF and send.
Yes, Laisha.
Ma'am, in the last two question, if we have done to draw this circle, so we can write done in it and we can do mark as done by sending.
Anything you have to write
Ma'am, I
something
have a
there.
copy that I can't send it right now, so or we have to send right now, or you will or I can send it afterwards because my
No, before 2 o'clock you need to send me, because after that I'm going to check this.
okay, ma'am, so I
After
can
that it
manage
will not be
it
accepted.
because my one auntie says I can tell mom to.
Okay. 2 minutes are left, students. Please submit it fast.
Ma'am, you have got mine.
Ma'am, you got mine?
Mohammed Patel, can I talk to you, bacha? Ma'am? Mohammed, turn on your camera, please. Mohammed Patel, please turn on your camera.
Ma'am,
Wait, Ahana. Mohammed
Can
Patel, please turn on your camera. Mohammed Patel, I am going to remove you. Then you will not able to join my class. So better you turn on your camera, please.
can you send the link in the chat box?
No link is there in the classroom. Ahana, link is there in the classroom. Go from the classroom. Yes, Mohammed Patel, please turn on your camera. I'm calling your name.
My camera is on.
No, it is not on. You're not visible to me. Your
My
camera is
camera is
off.
on.
It is off,
Hello.
Bachcha. It is showing off to me.
This is on.
Log out and log in again, Mohammed.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have sent my CT to you. Now I'm sending the last two questions.
Okay. Please mute yourself. One minute is left, students. Please submit your CET.
Ma'am, I sent it, but I didn't send the maths workbook, so I wouldn't have phone. So
Send it before 2 o'clock today.
okay, I make it the circle.
Yes, please. The children who will not send me the 2 questions will not get the marks of that 2 questions. So please take a note. You have to send me that 2 questions also. Yes, Mohammed. Now please turn on your camera and
Ma'am,
talk.
we have to add it. We can edit the response also.
No.
It is showing. It is showing edit your response down.
No. Let me check.
I have
Ma'am, I'm
submitted.
now.
I have submitted, so it is showing you have successfully submitted. Edit your response
No, you
downwards in link.
It's limited to one
Ma'am, I'm
response
sending.
only.
Ma'am, I'm sending my 2 questions in the classroom
Have you got my CT, ma'am?
in the CT folder, ma'am.
Well, okay.
Ma'am, have you got my CT?
Let me check.
Ma'am, me too.
I will call the name of the students and then you can leave those who have submitted because time is up now. I got Rishik, Bhig, Bhakti, Varija, Vaninya, Kush, Laisha, Div, Prayag, Heer, Tiana, Arnav, Yug, Kavisha, Meer Virani, Navya. These are the
Ma'am, I am
students submitted. They can leave.
Ma'am, I am
Okay,
doing the
ma'am. Bye,
last
ma'am.
second.
Bye,
the
ma'am.
last-
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a good day. And ma'am, when you will